Hello, good evening. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Hi.
Yes, yes.
All
Chào cô đi.
right.
Chào cô.
Can you
Hello.
see me?
Hello.
Yes or no?
Ừ.
Can you see? Yes? Yes?
Hello. Yes. Yes. No, 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 no.
Yes. All
E.
right. Can you wave your hand? Hi. 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 You're shy.
Cô xinh quá
Okay.
à?
Come.
Cô xinh quá à?
I'm Teacher AM. What is your name?
What's your name? Mày, con tên là gì? Gì? Phúc Lâm à? My name Phúc Lâm à? My name Phúc Lâm. Ừ.
Oh, hello, Puklam. It's nice to meet you. How old are you? Are you 5, 6, or 7?
Con bao nhiêu tuổi?
How old are you?
Con bao nhiêu tuổi? 5 tuổi á? Five.
Are you 5, 6? How
Five.
old are you?
I am five.
Okay, say, I am 5 years old. One more.
Okay.
I am 5 years old. Very good. Okay, how are you? Are you happy or sad?
Happy or sad? Con vui,
Are you
con này con có
happy?
vui không?
How are you?
Happy hay sad? Happy.
Are you happy? Yes or no? Are you happy?
Happy or sad?
Yes.
Happy. I'm happy. I am happy.
Hi. Are you happy? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'm happy to see you too. Okay, you know what? Teacher likes dancing, singing, and reading. How about you, Puklam? What do you like? Do you like singing? La 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 la. Do you like playing the piano? Ding-ding-ding. Do you like reading? Or do you like playing basketball?
Con thích chơi cái gì
What
ở
do
đây?
you like?
À, playing basketball. Playing basketball. I like playing basketball. Đúng không?
This one?
Con thích chơi playing basketball. Đúng rồi, con thích cái đấy. I like playing basketball. Khoanh vào đấy à?
Oh, so you like
Yes.
playing basketball. Okay. Say, I like, very good, playing basketball.
Playing basketball. Con thích chơi trò đấy à? Đúng rồi. Ok.
Yes,
Playing
this
basketball.
one, very good. Do you like drawing?
Con có thích vẽ không? Vẽ.
Do you like drawing?
Con thích vẽ không?
Yes or no?
Yes or no? Có học theo không? Con chỉ thấy Picabon thôi à?
Look,
Picabon
do
thôi à?
you like drawing? Yes or
Drawing là con
no?
thích vẽ.
No,
No.
that's okay. How about dancing? Do, do, do you
Con thích
like?
nhảy. Nó nhảy múa không?
No. Okay. Oh, you
À,
don't like?
no,
What
not
about
dancing.
no dancing? All right. How about this one?
Swimming, bơi,
Swimming.
bơi.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, yes. I like swimming.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Con bảo yes. Okay.
Do you
Từ từ
like
để
swimming?
cô chỉnh. Yes. Nếu mà con thích thì
Yes
con
or
bảo yes,
no?
con không thích con bảo no nhá. Do you like swimming? Yes. Okay.
Yes, nice. Okay, say I like swimming.
I like swimming. Yes.
Okay, look, I like swimming.
Swimming. Swimming. Yes.
All right. Okay. What is your favorite color? Do you like blue, red, or yellow? Okay, me, I like purple. What about you? What's your favorite color?
Con thích màu gì?
Do you like red?
Màu đỏ. No.
No. How about blue? Do you like blue?
Xanh, xanh. Màu xanh, xanh.
Yes or no?
Thích màu xanh không? Có thích màu xanh không? No.
It's okay. Okay. Are you ready to learn? Yes? Wow. All right. So we are going to learn about letters. Okay, now look at the picture, listen, and say. Ah, ah, look.
À,
Letter A. Say
A.
ah, ah.
À,
Very good. Look, what letter is it? All
ừ.
right. One more time. Look, listen, and say. A. A.
A. Nó to lên.
Very good. Okay. Ah, ah.
To lên. To nữa
One
đây.
more. All right. Look, apple. Apple.
Apple.
Nice. Now look at the apple. It's angry. Okay, look, say angry.
Uh, teacher, teacher, please
Yes,
show
ma'am.
slide, teacher. Because right now on the screen, I only see the slide number one. And can you show slide and click on auto to move from the angry apple?
Ah, all right.
Can you
This one,
share
ma'am.
screen again?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
What about this one, ma'am? Can you see it now?
Ừ.
Yes, it's okay
How
right
about?
now. Yeah, it's good.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Now look, listen, and say Angry apple. Look,
Angry.
angry apple. All right. Now look. A. A. Very good. Ah, ah. Say ah, ah.
Có đi.
Nice. All right. Look. What letter is it? What letter?
À,
A. A. Yes. Okay. Look. Apple.
to đi.
Apple.
Đừng
Your
đừng đừng di
turn.
chuyển được không?
Apple.
Đọc to lên. Apple. Apple.
Nice. Now look at the apple. It's angry. Okay, say angry.
Đừng di chuyển được không? Angry. Quả táo như trông như nào? Giận dữ đúng
Angry.
không? Quả táo giận dữ đúng không?
All
Buồn đúng không?
right. Angry apple.
To
Great
lên.
job. Give me a high five. High five. Nice. So you have 1 star here. Very good. Now look at this one. What is it? What's this?
Angry apple.
What's
Angry
that?
apple.
What's this?
Angry apple.
Apple. Yes. Do you like apple? Yes or no?
Con biết ăn táo không? Có.
Do you like?
Ăn cam. Ăn táo.
Do you like
Yes.
apple?
Con thích ăn táo không? Con thích ăn cam. À no, no. Con không thích ăn nó có chứ.
Do you
Nhưng khi
like?
con vẫn thích ăn táo mà.
Yes or no?
Yes, I like. Yes à? Yes, con có muốn ăn không? Thích ăn táo không? Thích. À, thích. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this apple. What color is it? Is it blue or red?
No. No. Press. Press.
Is it red?
Press. Em chưa con ra hỗ trợ em một cái.
Look,
Thay đồ đấy.
what color is the apple? Is it blue or red? Look, it's red. Okay, now look at this one. Wow. Okay, look, what is this?
Green. Green.
Yeah,
Green.
green. Very good. Okay, what fruit is it? Is it orange or apple?
Apple. Apple.
There you
Apple.
are. It's apple. Okay, now look at the word apple. What is the first letter? What letter is it? What letter?
A. I.
Yes, great. Okay, now look. Say axe. Axe.
I.
Axe.
I. Apple.
All right. Now look. What is this? What's this?
À, à, à,
Axe. Very
à.
good. Okay. Now look. And, and, and.
Orange. And.
Yes. Okay, say one more time. Uh, uh, and.
And.
Yes. Now look at this one. What is it? What's this? It and. Okay. Do you like an ant? Yes or no?
Con này. Yes. Yeah.
Wow, you're so brave. Look at this one. Say, uh, uh, alligator.
Agriculture.
There you are. Okay, look at the alligator. Do you like alligator? Yes or no?
Cậu em có thích con cá sấu không? Chưa?
Yes
Nghe có hay
or
không?
no?
Đúng
Yes?
rồi đâu.
Do you like?
Có.
Okay,
Có.
look, what is this?
Yes.
Oh, you like it. Now, what's this?
Alligator. 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 Chị đếm cho bạn đọc sang nhé. Alligator.
Okay, say, ah, 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 li,
Lý.
gator, alligator. Your turn. Alligator. Okay, now look at this one. Wow. Look and say, what's this? Ah, ah, what's
Orange.
this? Ah,
Apple.
apple. Nice. What about this?
Apple.
Ah, ah,
Oh. Oh.
ah.
Oh.
Okay. How about this one? Ah, ah, and nice. What about this? Ah, 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 ah. Alligator.
Alligator. Ah.
Yes. Okay.
Gator.
So look at this one. Let's play a game. Look at the picture. Listen. Look again. Then say, look, what's that? What is it?
Ah.
Ah, ah. What's that?
Orange. Ah.
Ah, it's nice. What about this one? Da-da-da-ding, ding, 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 ding.
Ê,
What is that?
to lên.
And
Đây con gì?
great. How about this? Da-da-da-ding, ding, 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 ding. What is that?
Con đây con không. Đây là cái gì nè?
What's
Apple.
this? Ah,
Apple.
ah, apple. Yay!
Apple.
Give me a high five. High five. Very good. Wow, you have 1 star. Now look at this one. Da-da-da-ding, ding, ding. What is that?
This.
What
Đây là
is
cái
that?
gì nào?
Ah, what's this?
Alligator.
exactly alligator. Okay. Now look at this one. Look, listen, and circle. Okay. Where is the alligator? Where is it? Is it A, B, or C? Where is the alligator?
B. Have to be
Yes, it's
Chi-
letter
B.
B. Very good. Alligator. What about this one? Where is the ant? Ant.
Con kiến
Is
đâu?
it A,
C.
B, or C?
C.
Ant.
Worm. C.
It's
C.
letter C. Nice. Okay, what about the axe? Where is the axe? A,
Cây gì?
B,
Đây là cây con gì?
C. Where's the
Ừ.
axe?
Con đây của
Letter
nó đó.
C. Okay. Now look
Ừ.
and say,
Đâu?
what's
Của
this?
nó đó.
What's this? What's this? What's this? Is it
Là
an
apple hay là
apple
cái gì?
or an app?
Ô, là gì?
What's this? Apple or app? It's an apple. Okay, so for today, we learned about letter A. We have apple and axe and alligator. Okay, so you got 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for joining our class tonight, Fuklam. I hope you learned something. Bye. Hope to see you next time.